Hello and welcome to Crafting with Ty and Friends. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this cute little box. Don't mind my empty sides because I actually using this for another tutorial, but I am going to be making a full one in the video. But you can fill the box up with anything small and cute. We have a bath bomb right now in here. You can fill it with small candies, other little treats. Customize it to your liking. Again, here's the box. Let's begin. Now the first thing you're going to need is a piece of cardstock. I'm starting with a white base at 6 3/8 inches by 8 3/4 of an inch. Then you're going to need a piece for the top. So you're going to do 2 inches by 2 inches. And then for your side pieces, you want to do 2 inches by 1.5 inch. You can use any decorative paper you like. You can print paper from your printer and use it however you like. Now we're going to grab our scoreboard and we are going to score our base. Piece. So we're going to score the base. We're going to first start scoring on the 6 3/8 inch side. And we're going to score at 2 1/8 of an inch. Then we're going to score at 3 3/4 of an inch. Then we're going to score again at 5 7. Then we're going to rotate and we're going to score at 2 1/8 of an inch, 4 1/4 of an inch, 6 3/8 of an inch, and 8 1/2. So now your paper should look like this with all the score marks. Now you're going to take your paper, your base, and fold and bone each crease. Take this. So once you got all your score lines boned and creased, what we're going to do is we're going to take the paper where we have the small 1/4 of an inch on the side, and then we have the other small tab on the top. And we're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut each score line up to the first score mark here. So you're going to go and then you're going to completely get rid of this box here. So you're going to take it out. And then you want to also get rid of these boxes right here. Oops. So now your paper should look something like this. And you're just going to cut some small tabs into the side here. Don't mind my little sloppy cutting. But now it should look like this. Now you're going to turn your paper around so that the side you just cut is on the top. And now you're going to do the same thing to this side, But instead of to the first score mark, you're going to cut to the second. Now, once you got all your things cut, you can continue to do the cutting, but I'm going to do the next step, and then we're going to cut after the next step. So basically what you want to do is just fold your paper over. You're going to be gluing this tab to the inside of here. So when you fold your paper over, it just lines up. So go ahead and apply your adhesive here. You can use tape runner, liquid glue, whatever you like. I'm using the Art Glitter Glue. And I'm just going to place it down. Then when you open it up, you basically have the bases of your box. These 4 tabs will be the bottom. And then this will be the top. So let me find out where I just connected. So I just connected it here, and I want this to be the back of my box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this whole tab here, which will be the front of my box. So I'm going to go ahead and cut and remove. It's a little easier when you do the cutting before you do the gluing, but I'm doing it in the video just to show you guys. And then I'm also going to cut about 1/2 inch off on each side of the top of the box. That way it gives it that close. I'm also going to cut little tabs, as you call them, on each closure side. And then we're going to cut tabs here on the top. So now your box should look like this. In the bottom, what you want to do is just go ahead and glue it closed. So again, we're using the Art Glitter Glue, and we are going to apply, and we are going to stick one side down, and we will apply and stick the other side down, and basically do the same thing till you have all 4 sides of the bottom of the box closed. Now you basically have the bases of your box. And you can go ahead and decorate. So when you decorate, you can use anything. You can use die cuts, things from your cutting machine. But today we are just strictly paper crafting, no cutting machine involved. So I have my pieces, and I'm just going to glue them on. For this, I'm going to use my Elmer's tape runner and just place tape on each side, one in the middle, place it on the top of my box. Then I'll do the same for the sides. I will be using these same boxes for another project, so stay tuned for that tutorial. But you do this to each side. Till your box is completed or decorated however you see fit. Don't do like me here and have your patterns going different ways. As you can see, this is going left and right, and then this is going up and down. Don't be like me. But here is your finished box. Doo-doo. You can add something to the bottom if you like. You can put anything in this box. Again, there's a bath bomb. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Share what you make.
I said don't stop, don't stop, don't stop talking to me. Stop, don't stop, don't stop. Yeah.